with the Nemo Hornet Osmo one-person tent. This is the ultralight model, retailing for $3.99. I think it was $4.25 with Pennsylvania tax. The first impressions of this, in the time lapse that I'm going to attach to this video, you can see it was a little bit tough orienting the rain fly, but otherwise very simple to set up. Comes with everything you need other than the footprint, which I purchased separately for I think 40 bucks. I'm going on a hike this weekend. Hopefully over this hike, over the weekend, over these 3 days, I can test this and see how it does out in the field for you guys. Like I said, comes with everything you need. It is a one-person tent. The one thing I've found is that thus far it is very, very small. However, it looks like I'm going to be able to fit inside of it, and we'll go over it more so while we're on the trail. One of the things I did want to add to this first impressions video is the reasoning for the price on this tent. My original two-person tent that I bought off of Amazon for about 40 bucks weighs around 5 or 6 pounds. This one-person Nemo tent that I have out in the yard is less than 2. So it is obviously, like they say, the ultralight model, and if you're looking for getting your pack weight down, a couple pounds means a lot. We're doing a pin shot loop trail hike starting tomorrow, and we're going to be out there for 3 days. It's 24 miles for the entire loop. And the first time I attempted this, my pack probably weighed 70 pounds, and that was a mistake. I got my pack weight down to 40 with water on board because of spending money on stuff like the tent that's out in the yard to just get the weight down enough that it's more tolerable on your back. Quality-wise, for a first impression, seems pretty decent. The rain fly itself was the biggest issue. Trying to get that deployed, it's so light that any type of wind at all takes it, and takes it away. So the orientation of that for the first time ever putting it together, I struggled with, which you'll see in the time lapse. Otherwise, the tent's fantastic. The poles, pretty much, it's a one-piece pole. It all snaps together relatively easily. As soon as I undid the rubber bands, everything snapped together just fine. The stakes are high quality. The paracord that is with the tent is high quality. They even give you some spare paracord and a repair sleeve. If you break the pole while you're on the trail, there's a replacement sleeve that can at least get you through until you can get a new pole. Other than that, like I said, this tent seems like it's going to be pretty decent. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. Thank you, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks, guys.